Hello guys, today we are seeing another dumping trailer. In China we call it box in the box trailer because in the China regulation we need to have a lower side wall, the lower drop side. So we have to remove the orange color box off before we go to the government place to get a license for this trailer. But after that, we shall get the orange color box on the top of this trailer, like a box to carry something bigger and more. So we have this bottom chassis with the hoist system with a hydraulic cylinder to make sure the trailer can taping from the front to the end, so the cargo can dump to the end. In the front, we can see, like all the other trailers, it has the air connections, electricity socket to connect with the prime mover, and this is ABS. Okay, and here is the hydraulic cylinder. It's a part of the hoist system in this trailer. And this one is the steel bar. We put it here to hold the hydraulic oil pipe hose for this one. We use two very strong black parts to connect with the, of course we haven't finished this one yet, to connect with the chassis of the dumping trailer. Once it need to be hoisted up, so it will start from here and then to the top, then the box will taping to the end accordingly. Here is the place we shall mount a hydraulic oil tank here. So the system haven't been finished yet. We shall do that after the driver comes to our workshop. At the bottom, we have the 90mm kingpin with bolt, and we have two aluminum landing gears. It can operate in two sides. We have discussed this before. Okay, here is the light, and this is the handle of the drop side wall. We can open this and then it should open. You can see the green color box here. At the bottom, we use this kind of locks to hold them together. So once it's tipping from the front to the end, it won't fall off. At here, we have a toolbox and a tire with a beautiful color rim. This is the suspension. The suspension is normal as others. It is an equalizer suspension with a leaf spring. This is the locking device for the rear gate. So once you need to dump it, you need to open this. So otherwise you cannot open it. So sometimes the driver tipping the trailer up, then use the hammer to knock it off. Here is the gate. We have seen this gate in another video. If you open it, it has a small door at the rear. Then you can put it on before you go to the government to get a license in China. It has 4 locking bars. At the bottom, same as all the other trailers, it has air chambers and braking hoses. Of course, we haven't finished it yet, so it looks a little bit chaos. Those are the electricity lines. We have saved them there. You can see from here it is three axle in one trailer. The axle space is like a 1.3 meter for this trailer. sometimes the client need 1.8 meter. It would be longer. Sometimes the client would need 2 or 3 meter. It would use a totally different suspension system and other designs. We use this kind of lock, same like a front, to lock the orange color box with the chassis together. So it's totally 4 points to lock the box with the chassis. And for the hinges of the chassis sidewall, we have 1 pin here and a washer here, and then a small pin here to connect them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 hinges for 1 drop side. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. Hope you guys like our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe or click the like button at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye.